Hey, it's Biddy Penny, and I'm here with an F as in fun unboxing. So I have these packages that were all in the mailbox today, and I'm so excited. I have the first one is from my best friend's daughter. She is an artist in training, and I sent her a handmade badge a couple of weeks ago, and she sent me this thank you. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's going on my wall. She's just so precious. So I had to open that one first because honestly I was just most excited about that. And then this is from Crazy Paper Chick. I'm sure if you're watching this channel, then you've certainly heard of Alicia and her channel, which is Crazy Paper Chick. So she does D-stashes on Etsy, and they're awesome. I wasn't able to score as much as I really wanted this go around, but I'm still happy with what I got. And look how she wrapped my box. That is so sweet. Every time I send D-stash items out from my Etsy shop, I think, I need to make this extra special, and then I just get in a hurry. I do a little bit. So I got these two sets and a handmade card. What? Look at that thing. It's gorgeous. I love the colors. I adore it. I'll be keeping that one too. So I got this My Favorite Things. These peacocks, they're just so whimsy and cute, and I've loved them for a long time. And then this, like, I saw a social distancing card made with one of those little meerkats, and it was the cutest thing. So I was really excited when I saw that in her D-stash. Next up, honeybee stamps. Woo woo. So I had looked for this in a couple of shops, and it was sold out. No problem. I just went straight to the source and grabbed it. I've been trying to be so good. You guys don't even know what my craft room looks like. I've been a consumer for 5 years, and so I'm trying to do less of that, but still, there's sometimes these things, right? So I love florals. I love everything floral. So this makes me happy. These are vases. So these are die cuts for all different shaped vases, however you want to pronounce it. I'm from Texas. I could go either way with it. But I'm excited about those. And then this, so I subscribe to Spellbinders, and I do the small die. Currently not subscribed to the large die, but I might. And then I do the card kit, but sometimes I skip. I meant to skip this one, to be completely honest, and I didn't do it in time. So here it is. I hope I use it. If not, I'll de-stash it. Thanks for coming along, and oh, sweet girl. Thanks for that note.